Hi, my name's Chloe Giordano and I'm an embroidery artist. I've collaborated on book covers and illustrated children's books for publishers like Penguin, Bloomsbury and Vintage. I've also published my own book and run an online shop where I sell original embroideries, prints and cards. When I first picked up a needle and thread, something really clicked in me. I discovered I could focus on embroidery for hours without getting distracted, combining my love of drawing and painting with the thread. In the method, there's a lot of similarities to painting, and it helps me be able to make decisions as I go along, getting a different result every time, even within the same design. I find inspiration in my favourite wild animals. I try to capture their delicate forms in embroidery to bring across some of the magic in my art. In this Domestika course, you'll learn how to use freehand needle painting techniques to create realistic embroideries of the natural world. For the final project, you'll embroider an animal of your choice, blending colours and creating shades to achieve a realistic outcome. First, I'll teach you how to use the sketchbook to develop your ideas and refine your skills. Then we'll look at the materials you need and how to use them. Then we'll pick a colour palette for your embroidery. Next, I'll show you how to set up your fabric in the wooden hoop and apply freehand needle painting techniques. After that, I'll show you how to start your embroidery by transferring the design to the fabric, building the head, neck, shoulders, torso, legs and tail. We'll also learn how to make a background with decorative plants. Finally, I'll show you how to finish your piece so it's ready to hang and share on social media. By the end of this course, you'll know how to gather inspiration from wildlife, develop ideas and translate it all into beautiful, realistic embroideries. To follow my steps, you don't need any previous experience. You'll only need simple materials like sewing thread, needles, cotton fabric and a hoop. Dive into the world of needle and thread and create realistic embroideries.